It's your duty and your job to put your children and the next generation in a better position. And a better position could be, like you said, your grandmother left the house and she left $20,000, $30,000 divided between the grandkids. That same $10,000 or $15,000 could now your grandchildren are standing on the shoulders of that, and they're going out and they're competing. We got the slide. We got the slide.
He was gonna get that slide.
They
Get that slide.
they working overtime back there.
Right.
But when you continue to start from zero, it makes it very, very hard to compete in the marketplace with people who are starting at millions or 100,000 or 50,000, or even start with this information. So even if you can't pass wealth on to your family, start bringing your children to events like this, because, all right, let's say you like, well, I checked out, I can't do it. Your children, they don't have fear. You learn fear as you get older, right? My sister was talking about how she was scared of water when we was growing up. And we used to play with the water hose, and she used to run crying and all of that. So she was scared of water growing up. I don't know why, I don't know how, but her children now, she took them to the beach, they ran into the water and she panicked. She's scared of water, they not. Right? So if you are scared to invest or start a business or do what it takes to be financially free, do yourself a favor and just bring your children and bring the young people who are not scared. They haven't bought into that fear. And that can be your contribution to generational wealth for your family is, hey, I ain't leave my family nothing, but I did bring my cousin to this event. He started a business, so I helped him out, right? So that's how we got to start thinking about it as well. And we got to get rid of the fear of, just investing in yourself.